Hi folks, and welcome back to another Travels of Red Rover. I'm Shawn.
And I'm Corinne.
And where are we today? Cool place!
We're in Borrego Springs, California, and we are enjoying the Galleta Meadows sky art sculptures.
So Corinne and I have been out here since about 3:30, quarter to 4 in the morning.
We were capturing some star pictures, and the Milky Way was coming up early this morning.
So we are going to show some photographs, and I'll talk you through them, of the Milky Way over top of this dude right here.
And this is called the Serpent, although we like to refer to him as the dragon because he reminds me of a Chinese dragon.
And then this morning, we did a little bit of sunburst photography. I was trying to actually get the sunburst in his mouth, and I'll talk you through those here in a minute or two. The dragon is one of our very favorite sculptures, and the opportunity to shoot the night sky over top of it was just too good to resist. Trina and I use photo pills to plan our night sky shots, and this is a screen capture from photo pills on my phone. As you can see up in the top left-hand corner, at 5:12 in the morning was sort of the perfect time to catch the Milky Way above the dragon. We had several other challenges to overcome in order to get a photograph that night as well. There was no moon, so we were going to have to use lights. But the dragon's metal structure is very light absorbing. It's actually quite hard to get it so that you can actually see the dragon lit, as you're seeing in this video piece right here. Our final challenge was that 5:12 in the morning was getting very close to sunrise. Blue hour would start to take place shortly after the best shooting time. So we had to make sure that we were ready to shoot because we'd have a very small window before we lost the opportunity. These are all single shots with a little bit of enhancement in Lightroom. Mostly the enhancements were brightening the Milky Way and the dragon and then resetting the size of the shot. And with all those challenges overcome, here are the results of the morning shoot. After we finished the star shots, we took a few minutes to capture some sunbursts. I really wanted to capture one in the dragon's mouth. We spent the rest of the day in the Galeta Meadows shooting the sculptures. Here are a selection of those shots.
Well, we hope you've enjoyed this tour of the metal sculptures in Galleta Meadows and the photography and videos we've shown you of the sculptures.
Yes, it's been a lot of fun producing them. This morning when we got up real early and shot the thin part of the Milky Way over the Serpent was just a lot of fun.
Yeah, and just the intricacies of these sculptures are real interesting to see, and it's a lovely location to come for a little sunshine and warm weather in the winter.
And it was kind of a little different from the landscape photography that we traditionally do, having sculptures and people and all that sort of thing in the photographs and the videos. So we hope you enjoyed the change. Well, this brings this episode of the Travels of Red Rover to an end. We sure hope you enjoyed the movie today. If you did, please give us a thumbs up.
If you'd like to see more of our videos, we hope you'll consider subscribing and hit that subscribe button down below.
And if you want to know when we release videos, hit that little bell button also down below.
And if you have any questions or comments or thoughts, we'd love to hear from you. Put it in the comment section below and we'll be sure to respond as soon as we can.
And until next time, bye for now.
Bye for now.